What I'm doing here is cleaning the outside of the window. Came in a couple of weeks ago, did all the window tint for the front windshields on the Amazon vans. Noticed a couple of things while I was there, that a couple of vans that we had done prior to had their windshields replaced already, due to rocks and debris coming up, hitting them and cracking them. So what we're doing today is going to be putting on some windshield protection film, hopefully to eliminate any debris and stuff like that hitting the window and cracking it. Obviously, if it's something really, really big coming at a really high speed, nothing's going to stop that. It's going to crack, it's going to hit. But this film is pretty good. I've had it on my vehicle for quite a while now. I love it. I hate being behind those trailers, those semis with dump trucks on the back, and just them kicking up a lot of rocks, kicking up a lot of sand and whatnot, and it hitting my windshield and causing a lot of pitting. So that's why I have that on there. So we're going to give this a try. Benefits of having windshield protection film is to eliminate the vehicle being down, at least in this instance for Amazon. If their vehicles or vans are down, that means work's not getting done, and your packages aren't going to get delivered on time. So we're going to hopefully eliminate some of that with some of this, versus them having to replace their windshields and having a van down. I am now removing the outside liner protective cover to install the film. Then I'm going to squeegee it out after I apply the soapy solution on the windshield, and then it really won't make any difference as far as looks wise. Still going to be pretty clear. Slight distortion from the glue, but nothing too crazy that you can't drive with. Then I'm going to cut it, trim it, make sure all the edges are sealed pretty well and dried up, at least enough, and the sun will do the rest as far as baking it onto the windshield and helping it cure even more and getting some of that soapy solution out of there. It's pretty much just like window tint. It's not going to bubble up as crazy, but it's going to have some little haziness because of the moisture that's left behind until it dries out.